Hey guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to yet another video of our Diwali series. So in today's video, we'll be talking about how to take care of your hair at home, or how you can get a salon ready hair at home before Diwali. So without further ado, let's get into the video, and before we do that, please press the subscribe button if you've not yet subscribed to my channel. Let's begin. So the first one would be doing a hair spa at home. So the only thing I used to go to a parlor was to either do my brows or a hair spa. I still go for my brows, but for hair spa I do it at home itself. So what I have done a separate video of how to do your hair spa at home. I'll link up that video here and you all can go ahead and watch it. So the second one are these kitchen hacks that you can do at home. So let's quickly dive into two of my most trusted hair masks. So for this first hair pack, you need bananas. Now whenever you take bananas, make sure that they are like nice ripe bananas, the ones that turn black. So proper ripe bananas, coconut oil and honey. Now what you need to do is that you need to go ahead and mash these bananas. So you can use a fork or you can use a beater, mash them properly, but make sure that you mash them properly. Otherwise, all those banana thing gets stuck in your hair and then it's very difficult to remove that. So once you've mashed it properly, just add honey and coconut oil. Now honey you can add 1 to 1.5 teaspoon and coconut oil according to your hair, whatever like measurement you all take. So once that is done, apply this along the length of your hair. Now any hair pack, whenever you apply, it should always be applied along the length of your hair on your roots, because it's nourishment to the hair and not the scalp. Like they say, oil has to be applied on the scalp. So the way you apply conditioner, just apply this hair pack along the length of your hair, and then pretty much leave it for 1 to 1.5 hours and then wash it off. Now this is how it looks. Not take a video after that, because I immediately started shooting. I forgot to take a video, but this is the picture after I washed my hair completely. Second one, we require an egg, vinegar and aloe vera gel. So basically this pack is like amazing. I'm telling you, it works better than hair spa also. Like it's that good. Now the footage wherein I broke the egg and mixed all of that got deleted. That is the reason I cannot add that footage. However, what you need to do is that you need to take one egg and you need to add 8 to 9 teaspoons of vinegar and 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel. That is what the combination is. 8 to 9 teaspoons of vinegar, 1 to 1.5 teaspoon of aloe vera gel and 1 egg. Now since it's winters, you can use the yolk as well. And if your hair is like very dry, even in summers you can use the yolk. I basically use the yolk during winters and summers both. So as I like the whipping part has got deleted. However, I have the clippage of once it is applied. Again, as I mentioned, you need to apply it along the lengths of your hair, and once that is done, just wear a shower cap and keep. So this was after a rickshaw ride that I had, and still you can see like this was once I reached office. Still you can see the hair is not like, the hair looks so soft and silky, and there's a shine on the sides. You all can see that there's a proper shine to the hair. So those were the hair masks that I do. Now there are a few others that I do. However, I have shot this video just 1 week prior to Diwali. So in a week I could just do hair like I could just do 2 hair masks in a week. I could not do like every day one hair mask. That's the reason I'm not shot it, but I'll do a separate video otherwise sometimes later, in which I'll show all of them. So these were the 2 kitchen nuskas. Apart from that, we also use an oil which we make at home. Now this oil is something you will find in every Kerala's kitchen. Yeah, almost every, I think every Kerala's kitchen, not almost, every Kerala's kitchen. So the way we say, what we call that oil is, what oil was that? Okay, I forgot the name. Walnut oil. Okay, I completely am zoned out now. So I have done a separate video about that as well, in which I have shared the recipe. Like my mother has shared the recipe of how to make that oil. So we basically apply the same oil on our hair, and that strengthens your hair. It prevents hair fall and it prevents graying of hair, premature graying of hair. So please do check out that recipe as well. I have made another video of that recipe as well. I'll link up that video here. So that was it for today's video. That was it for hair mask recipes or hair secrets. I hope you all liked this video. If you all did, please give this video a thumbs up and also like, share, subscribe to my channel. Ta-ta!